I'm going to dig a soil profile using a hand auger. This is a very rapid way of sampling the soil. Unfortunately, it also destroys any evidence of soil structure. I'm using a 100mm auger, which is the one most commonly used for soil sampling. The first thing to note is the organic matter at the soil surface. In this case, it's turf grass. In other cases, it would be mainly leaf litter. Collect any organic litter as the first sample. Then start to use the auger. Lay out the samples in order so that you can see at what depth any changes in the soil occur. Don't overfill the auger. Once the soil reaches the band at the top, then stop and withdraw the sample. The soil in this case is very dry. I have to remove samples by hand. Normally, the auger would pick them up. Measure the depth of each dig that you take with the auger. Record this so that you know the depth each sample comes from. In this case, the first sample came from between the surface and 90mm. Continue to dig down and to lay out the samples in order. Go as deep as you can. This is a relatively short auger. Some have extension handles so you can sample to much greater depth. Once you've finished, you can look at the samples laid out and identify the depths at which changes occurred. In this case, there's a change in colour starting at the third sample down, at a depth of about 190mm. This is followed by a lighter band for the next 2 to 3 samples. We've gone from an A1 horizon to an A2 horizon. The B horizon starts at a depth of about 400mm. The first B horizon is a transitional one, a B1 horizon. The last couple of samples show a clear change in colour. We are moving into a strongly yellow B2 horizon at this point.